Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara. I normally do double wide mobile home makeovers in my mobile home, but today this is part 2 of my mom's house transformation. You guys are not going to believe the transformation that goes on in here. They decided to knock down all these walls, opened up the space. The foyer, this little closet right here, this to my right, where you see these bifold doors, are gone. All that's gone. The arch is gone. I know you guys are ready for part 2 of the living room. The couch will be here Wednesday, so I can decorate in there. But you guys are not going to believe how much this area and the kitchen has changed. We had originally planned right here. You see me and my daughter. We were just going to paint in here, paint the cabinets. So we did a coat on the cabinets, painted the walls white, and then they decided they wanted to knock all the walls down, open up the kitchen. So all new cabinetry's going in here, all new paint. It is so pretty now. You guys are not going to believe this. But like I said, the couch will be here Wednesday. There's my beautiful mom. Aww. But the couch will be here Wednesday, so I can do that. Part 2 of that living room. It's really gorgeous in there. But I think the stunner in here is going to be this kitchen and dining room. So just showing a little recap of what it looked like. And then I'm going to show you when they start ripping down these walls.
Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do.
So right here, they just expanded that arch, made it bigger, but here later on you'll see that all that just goes away. All the walls are gone, so I'm just showing you what it looked like at first.
All right, guys, the wall is gone. We got a nice big
buffers.
We got a big beam right here. Got no buffers. And I'm gonna put some plywood in here, make the floor even. Fix that part right there. Same kind of thing. And then you see how this wall is right here? Drywall trim. We're gonna do drywall trim, case it out right on the bottom. And boom, we got something. Here's the finishing look in here. We finished the floors. We're gonna put a new ceiling fan. It's no good right there. We gotta finish a little bit of trim right here, run down that way. And we got some new blinds up. Got some shiplap. And what y'all think about that? Whole wall, everything's gone. This is part 2. So make sure you hit the like button twice. And there we go.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over.
Oh, there's the whole wall on. Careful. Oh, I hope that is what you wanted.
Time we go our separate ways. Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind. My body and...
All right, guys, it's a major difference. We pretty much gutted everything. We're gonna move the sink, everything. You got a clean slate. We had to take some of this framing and some of this stuff out right here, just to put a brace in right there. And a, what are them things called, Scott? Bracket? Joist hanger. We'll put a joist hanger bracket on there. We got a 2x8, that's your beam. 2 2x4s on top. Tied it all in. This shiplap's still good. Trim it all out. Now we got an open concept. We got it ready to go. You won't never see none of this stuff with the floor. And we got a little water damage right here. We're gonna work on that. And this is it, y'all. Look how open this is. And this right here is actually where the hood fan was. And I don't even think the hood fan was connected. So this didn't even do anything. So they had a hood fan that didn't even work. What we're gonna do on the roof up here, we're gonna move this or redo this right here, the attic crawl space, we're gonna call it. And check out, this is a 6x6 post. Sorry about the light. Solid as a rock. What you call a column. And boom. All right, this is the ugly part. Wait for part 3 and you're gonna see something cool. But sometimes you just gotta dig in and see what happens. We did have to call a plumber because we're not too good with plumbing. And we did call an electrician. It's a 240 hotline right here for the stove. So be careful with all that unless you know how to do it. But there you go, folks. That's it. And we got a lot of mess back here. And is there any way to get this stuff out this window? Let me know in the comments below. I don't think you can. I don't know if this is 2 panels. And by the time you do all that, you might as well buy a window. But if you got any tricks, some people say vinegar, this and that. Let me know in the comments below. And we're gonna go ahead and close it out. Y'all have a good one. We got the refrigerator here. Later, peace.
Pushing all my triggers. Demons 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 pushing all my triggers. On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on.
All right, guys, we still got some work to do. We do got a very shiny light. She's blinging. We got some new windows right here. Framed them in. And this right here is the little barn house door with the little slider. It's behind there, but it slides really cool. Got some pizza going on right here. We got some good pizza right here in Calabash, really good. This is a self-leveling floor. You lay this stuff down, it's supposed to help level it. Don't know how good that's gonna be, but we'll see. Put the rest of this sheetrock up. Got another window and got a new door. Pretty good. And then we got some more stuff going on right here. We're actually gonna move the plumbing from here to over here. And then we got some more sheetrock. This is the waterproof kind. Well, made for water, because you don't want to get this way, it'll crumble up. So pretty good. Everything's looking good, look good. We got some mess we gotta clean up. And that's it. We're actually gonna do some recessed lighting, drill little holes, and we got an electrician to come do that. So I don't know how to do that, but we got some work to do. But that's it for now. And we're gonna call it a night. See y'all tomorrow.
Look how beautiful it's already looking. I love how they framed out the fridge. They're going to have a huge island in the middle right in front of this new window right here. Then we're going to do some little wood shelves over here on the side. It's going to look gorgeous. Look how they did the ceiling. Recessed lighting's going up there. New back door. It's coming together.
Now,
welcome to the complete house transformation. Check this wall out. Now, Chuck can show you how to build this wall. It doesn't take a whole lot of money. It just takes a little bit of knowledge about your angles and your measurements. Not really hard to do, but this can change the whole look of your house. Check this wall out and have a contrast with the rest of the house.
what color did y'all pick? What color is that? You
That
remember?
is Krypton. That's Sherwin-Williams Krypton.
Sherwin-Williams Krypton.
Color
So
Krypton.
you do 16 with the, what'd you do with a piece of plywood, a little trick,
Yep.
a little hack, and then
Yep.
you cut short to long at a 45, and there you go.
Well, I wish we had videoed this, but Chuck had to work. I wish we had videoed this because this does a lot for your house and it's not that hard to do. And you
It's definitely a statement piece.
Oh,
And
tell them what that color is.
That's Krypton. That is Krypton. Sherwin-Williams, yep.
Yeah, that's good. And then he picked out new doors right here. We got a new door right here with the only bad thing is, I think, what did you say, at night you kind of see through it a little bit?
Kind of see through it. That's the negative.
That's the negative. At night you kind of.
Show them how those did the
We got the coffered ceiling. We put 2 fake beams. Very easy to do. Wish we'd have videoed it. Maybe when we do the next remodel, we'll video how to do that. No, yeah, it's not that hard to do.
Well, kind of explain what you, if you wanted to put a beam in your house, would you just pretty much put like a?
Well, you did the shit box.
Well, there's a lot of YouTube videos on how to do that, but basically you take a 1x and you stick it in the stud to the ceiling. And you come back with 2 boards on the side, screw it to it, and then put your middle board in and shoot to that and kind of recess it up and give yourself just a little bit of a rip. It's really not hard to do. If you get that first board hooked into some ceiling joist, you're golden.
You're golden. And after that, you kind of build off that.
Right.
So here will be a 5x7 island. We will center the sink up
With the
with
window?
a
Okay.
And then we'll come over here. We'll have the island actually be 4 foot wide. Then we'll have a foot overhang with maybe brackets under the granite countertop to support it. And this will have bar stools. We're going to put 2 drop down lights over the island. We're going to place a can light here, 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 and here on the dimmer switch. Be killer. Can lights in here, probably 4 can lights laid out, however, to make it work out in this room and the dining room there. But right here's another interesting thing about this. We're casing the refrigerator out to where you don't get that cabinet refrigerator jumped out. We're going to put a finish look on this, make it match the cabinet. Put a double door cabinet in the top to match the kitchen cabinets, which are 12 inches deep. But this will make it, look like it's all universal.
Like a built-in fridge.
Yeah.
So it'll make it look.
Long story short, you ain't playing around.
There you go.
That make it look fancy. Now this is part 3. We'll do a part 4, and then we'll have the final at part 5. So this is this for now, guys. I think this is it. So we'll see y'all on the next one.
This was my table in my house, but I ended up getting a new one, so I'm gifting it to my mother. I think it's going to be beautiful in her new dining room. There it is, but you'll see it when we get the lights and stuff. It looks really gorgeous there. So tomorrow we're going to be working on painting the staircases. We're going to paint the back white and stain the top just like right here. So that'll be an upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 3.